Okay guys, so first things first, I always start off my day by making my bed. This just basically sets me up for like an organized day. I feel like I'm like 10 steps ahead when I make my bed first. So yeah, this is what I do. And if you're someone that struggles with staying out of bed after you've done everything, when you make your bed first, it will basically stop you from getting back into it, because look at all the hard work you've put into making your bed. It will basically stop that, and that's basically what I've learned. Okay, then after I start cleaning my room, so I love to vacuum first before anything. I know it probably doesn't look like my floor is messy, you guys, but your girl definitely needed to vacuum the hell out of this floor. So this is what I do. So then I basically spray down the surfaces that I want to clean in my room. So I start with my mirror first because it's the thing that I use the most basically. And I just wipe this down until it looks clean. And then also I wipe down my desk as well. I feel like it's very important to have like a clean working space, because this is where I do all my work, and I feel like I work a lot better in like a clean environment. So I tend to just make sure that my desk is clean, and then I don't have any like clutter around my working environment, you know. So next up, I brush my teeth. I think it's very important to practice good oral hygiene. Hygiene in general, definitely, but oral hygiene is very good as well, because it's important to take care of your teeth. And don't forget to brush your tongue as well, because a lot of like odor can like be stored there. So I go in with some mouthwash as well. It doesn't really matter which one, Listerine or whatever, it don't matter. So yeah. Okay, now it's time for me to start getting ready for gym. So basically, I'm working out from home today, so I'm just going with this two-piece set that I got from PLT, and with these like Adidas trainers, and I'm just gonna put this on. A nice comfortable gym outfit is all you need, because basically I'm working out from home, so I ain't even trying to look cute like that. So this is my gym basically. We've got like a treadmill, so this is what I use. I'm on this for like 30 to 45 minutes in the morning. And it's really important to note that this routine is basically a weekend routine. So my weekday workout schedule is completely different, because I do not work out in the mornings during the week. Definitely not. So next up is skipping. I absolutely love skipping as part of my workout routine, you guys. It's probably my favorite exercise to do, just because it works like more than one part of your body. Like for me, it targets my arms, it targets my stomach, my legs, literally everything goes. So that's why I really like it. So in terms of my skipping routine, I basically don't really have one. I just skip for maybe like 10 minutes at a time, each time stopping when I genuinely just cannot breathe. That's basically how I do it. So maybe that's like 100 skips, and then I break and then do 100 more. So next up is time for breakfast. So I have cornflakes in the morning. I really like it because it's just so filling. And then of course, you know, I got to pair this up with coffee, because I need to wake up, because at this point I'm starting to feel sleepy and I want to go back to bed. So coffee just wakes me up and convinces me that, you know what? It is 10 a.m. You need to get up. Okay, so now it's time for my shower routine. So I always start off by washing my face. Right now I'm using this Korean Beauty facial wash. I'm going to put a picture up there for you guys. And I just wash my face until it's clean, and that is basically what I do for my face. And then I exfoliate my body with a body scrub. I tend to do this because I shave right after. Now basically I decided to wash my hair because my hair was looking crazy under these wigs. So basically I decided it was time to take out the cornrows and wash this hair. So I did a really quick wash. To be honest, I just used shampoo and I had conditioner in my hair as well. So I just gave it a nice quick wash, and that was basically it for my wash day routine. So now it's time for my body care routine. So I use this CeraVe smoothing cream for my body because it does what it says it does. It keeps my skin nice and smooth, so I highly recommend. And then I go in with a body oil just to lock in that moisture. And then I finish all this off with a body mist. I love this vanilla candy one. It just smells so good. So basically, these are the products I'm going to be using for my skincare routine. You got toner, serum, cream, and sunscreen in this order. So I'm starting off with this Pore Zero toner for my face. I have been using this for the longest time now. If you guys have been keeping up to date with my videos, you'll see that I love Korean skincare products, especially from this brand. It is working amazing for my skin. Okay, next up is the serum. This is a niacinamide serum from The Ordinary. If you are new here, this is my favorite serum in the world. If you aren't new here, you already know this step. This serum is amazing, you guys. Okay, next up is moisturizer. So I use the same cream on my face as I use for my body. This is because I like this one a lot because it's very hydrating and I need that for my face, especially during the winter periods. My skin can get a little bit drier than usual, so this just does the job. So like I said, you guys, sometimes during the winter my skin gets extremely dry and then my under eyes get even drier. So I tend to use these like hydrating under eye masks. They just make my skin look and feel hydrated, especially like the sensitive areas under my eyes. So now because I'm planning to go out, I decided to put makeup on this day. So I just did like a quick little soft kind of glam look, just very minimal makeup, to be honest with you, just something quite light, just like so. Okay guys, that is literally my makeup and hair done. I picked out an outfit. I'm gonna wear these like boot cut jeans that I got from PLT, and then this like orange top that I got from PLT as well. Okay, so this is the final look for today. I'm probably gonna put a jacket over the top of this outfit because it's a little bit cold outside. I planned to wear this outfit with these shoes. However, I don't think I can drive in these because they're a little bit like sandally, a little bit flip-flop. Like they're open toe, so I'm literally just gonna wear trainers, I think, and the weather's not too great, so yeah, I'll probably save these for another day. But they're super cute. I got these from PLT as well. Now it's time to head out, so let me take all my camera stuff off and get ready to go. So basically I'm here now. I'm probably just gonna go and get like an iced white mocha. I think that is the plan. And then I'm probably gonna eat and drink in the car, to be honest with you, because I'm not really feeling too social, I'm not gonna lie to you. So I did stick to plan and I did get a small iced white mocha. This is what I got. It's such a nice drink. I also got this Beyond Meat breakfast sandwich and it tastes like meat. I know that's probably what people don't really want to hear, but to me it tastes like meat, and I don't even get it because of the meat-free thingy. I just get it because it tastes absolutely delicious. This is sometimes what I do on the weekend. I just come into Starbucks and then I just sit here and literally eat. And I know that sounds crazy, but this is actually part of my like self-care routine, because I don't always do this, because when I'm working like Monday to Friday, I genuinely don't really have time to like come to Starbucks after work and stuff like that. So like this, for me, I make the use of my Saturdays and Sundays. So yeah, this is what I like to do. Yeah, as you guys saw, like in the mornings, I love to just have like a slow mornings, especially like on a Saturday. I don't know about you guys, but for me, I just love to have like a slow morning. And I feel like it's because like every day we're always like in such a rush. Like, I can speak for myself. So basically, I'm back home now. It's raining terribly, like it's raining so badly, so I'm literally gonna run into my house. Okay guys, so I made it back into the house. What I do now is I just start basically editing. This is how I spend my Saturdays, my weekends. That's my morning done. Technically it's not morning anymore now, but yeah, that's how my mornings go. That's like a very realistic morning routine for me, to be honest. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm probably not going to record this bit of me editing because it's very boring. It's just going to be me literally like this in front of the laptop. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you on my next video.